Here's a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. Built for play, built for work, built for you. This Avalanche is made to meet the flexibility you need throughout the day. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and power tilt down heated mirrors. Of the Avalanche, Edmunds.com observes versatile mid-gate base body configuration, comfortable ride and seating, smooth V8 engines. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At Miller Starnes Chevrolet Buick, we are committed to your complete satisfaction. Call today or stop on by. We're easy to find at 476 West Cameron Avenue in downtown Rockdale, Texas.